Believe it or not, creating viral videos isn't as hard as you think. I know it feels like you need to hire a whole team and buy a bunch of state-of-the-art media equipment to make great videos, but you don't need any of that. In fact, you can create professional, eye-catching videos without spending a single dollar. Whether you're just starting on YouTube, making TikToks, or producing content for any platform, free tools like DaVinci Resolve and AI-powered software can do a lot of the technical work for you, and they won't cost you a penny. Let's start by talking about DaVinci Resolve, a professional-grade video editing software that's available for free. Yes, free. This isn't a watered-down version of an expensive product. It's the real deal, used by filmmakers and video creators across the world. It's so powerful that many creators are ditching subscription-based programs like Adobe Premiere Pro in favor of it. DaVinci Resolve offers nearly all the tools you need to make stunning videos for YouTube or other platforms. It even has a paid version, DaVinci Resolve Studio. But here's the thing. Unless you're working on Hollywood-level productions, the free version will cover just about everything. It includes tools for cutting, color correction, effects, and even audio editing. Now, let's break down why DaVinci Resolve is so popular, especially among YouTubers. First, it doesn't come with the headache of monthly or annual payments like Adobe software does. You don't need to worry about your subscription expiring, and you don't have to keep shelling out cash every year to keep editing. Even the full version is a one-time purchase, so there's no ongoing cost, but as I said earlier, the free version is packed with features. From basic editing to color grading to adding cool effects, DaVinci Resolve makes it possible for anyone, whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, to make high-quality videos. If this sounds a bit overwhelming, don't worry. I'll walk you through the basics of how to use DaVinci Resolve so you can get started, even if you've never used video editing software before. The first thing you need to do is head over to the DaVinci Resolve website, click on Edit, and then click on Free Download Now. Follow the instructions to install DaVinci Resolve on your device. Now, when you first open the software, you'll notice it's divided into different panels, or pages, designed to handle specific tasks. Each panel works like a step in an assembly line, guiding your video through the editing process from start to finish. The first step is to head to the Edit panel. Think of this as the heart of your project. It's where you'll piece everything together. When you look at the layout, you'll see a few key sections. The media pool is where you bring in all your raw footage, basically your video files, audio files, or images. The source panel allows you to preview and trim your clips before they're added to the main project. The timeline is where all the magic happens. This is where you arrange clips, cut them down, and layer everything to build your final video. Above it all, you've got the video preview window, which shows you how your project is shaping up as you work. To start editing, you'll first need to import your media into the media pool. This can be done by simply dragging and dropping your files into the software, or you can use the import function. Once your clips are in the media pool, you can decide how to bring them into the timeline. If you want to use the whole clip, you can drag it directly to the timeline. But if you only need a specific section, you can drag the clip to the source panel, play it to find the part you want, and then set in and out points. From there, you can drag just that section into the timeline. You even have the option to bring in just the video or just the audio portion, which can be handy for projects that involve a voiceover or background music. Once all your clips are in the timeline, it's time to start editing. This is where you'll cut out unnecessary parts, rearrange clips, and make sure everything flows smoothly. DaVinci Resolve makes everything easy with tools that let you quickly trim, split, or delete sections. Take your time during this stage because this is where your story comes together. Whether you're creating a vlog, a tutorial, or a montage, the way you arrange your clips will determine how engaging your video turns out. After the editing is complete, the final step is to export your video. This happens in the Deliver panel, where you'll find all the settings needed to create a finished file. You can choose the resolution, format, and other options to make sure that your video looks great on whatever platform you're uploading to. Most creators use the MP4 format because it's widely supported and keeps file sizes manageable without compromising too much on quality. Of course, basic editing is just the start. If you want your videos to stand out, you'll need to use some effects to make them more dynamic and engaging. DaVinci Resolve's free version includes a range of powerful effects. For example, let's say you want to add movement to a graphic or title to make it feel more alive. You can use the camera shake effect to create the illusion that the graphic is in motion. To do this, you simply drag the effect onto your graphic in the timeline and tweak the settings in the inspector panel until it looks just right. Another common challenge is dealing with vertical footage, like videos shot on a smartphone. Vertical clips usually have black bars on either side, which can look awkward. DaVinci Resolve has a built-in solution called blanking fill. This effect fills those black bars with a blurred version of your video, creating a seamless background that looks much better than empty space. One of the most impressive features in DaVinci Resolve is its ability to track objects and apply effects to them, like blurring a moving face or license plate. This process might sound complex, but the software makes it surprisingly straightforward. By switching to the color page, you can draw a shape around the object you want to blur, and use the tracker tool to follow its movement throughout the clip. Once the tracking is done, you can apply a blur effect and adjust its intensity until it covers the object completely. After that, you're free to return to the edit page and continue working on the rest of your video. At this point, you might be wondering how to keep viewers engaged throughout your video. The answer lies in using B-roll and dynamic visuals. B-roll is the extra footage that supports your main content, like close-ups, wide shots, or clips that show what you're talking about. It helps break up the monotony of a single talking head shot and keeps viewers interested. Dynamic visuals, like text animations or motion graphics, can also add a layer of professionalism to your videos. This is where AI tools come into play. By incorporating AI, you can take your videos to the next level without putting in extra hours of work. Tools like Synthesia can generate lifelike avatars that deliver your script, making it easy to create professional-looking explainer videos. If you're looking to repurpose long-form content, Opus Clip can automatically turn your long videos into short, shareable clips. And for creators who need help with the post-production tasks, Runway ML offers features like background removal and color grading, which can save you time and effort. When you combine the free tools in DaVinci Resolve with simple AI tools, the possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different effects, automate repetitive tasks, and focus more on your creative vision. The best part is that you don't need a big budget or a fancy studio setup. Everything we've talked about here is accessible to anyone with a computer and an internet connection. You might be surprised at what you can create with a little creativity and zero cost. How do you create videos at the moment? What will you try out from this video the next time you make content? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.